Hello everybody and welcome to another video. I'm biking today to the waterfall, hopefully. I wanted to set out quite early. It's just gone 8 o'clock now and I've just tackled my first big mountain, if you like. Everything looks foggy on the lens. That's probably because there's a smear on it. Let's see if we can sort that out. I'm very warm at the minute. Yeah, I wanted to go early because I wanted to beat the rush. It's been mental since lockdown's been eased. That's why I wanted to leave early, hopefully get there on or around 10 o'clock, fingers crossed. But this hill's almost killed me. I think we got a bit of a down, then a bit of an up, then a big down, then a big up, then a big down, and then a gradual up to the waterfall. So I'll keep you posted, and I'll speak to you in a bit. That is steep. That is dangerously steep. So I've just come down this road behind me. It was actually mostly downhill. I don't know if I'll go back that way. I might go a more direct way depending on traffic. But we're right on the bridge at Waterfall, I think it's called. I might be wrong. My brain is addled because of the exercise that I'm not used to. But yeah, this is the llanrhaeadr-ym-mochnant. And it's the rhos-y-brithdir river that we want to follow up to the waterfall. So I gotta find a different river. Here we've just arrived in Llanrhaeadr, and that's the river I was looking for. So we follow that 4 miles up the valley to the waterfall. I made it to the waterfall, and that last bit is a lot more up and down than I thought it was going to be, but that last bit my legs did cramp up just as passing some houses, and a lovely gentleman asked me if I'd like to have a sit down, so thank you, lovely gentleman. But yeah, getting that old cramp on the quads on both. It's just not used to the cycling. But I made it here for 10 o'clock bang on actually, so that was a good estimate. Yeah, but it is already busy. They've already taken precautions for closing the car park. There's only a small car park up there. So yeah, lots of people. It's going to be busy here today. We're still getting that weird flash. Right, I bought a self-heating ration pack with me. Nowhere near ready for that. I'm still going strong on the Nutella toast that I had this morning at 7 o'clock. It's now 10 o'clock, so God knows how I'm not hungry, but I'm not. I'm just very thirsty. I've gone through the 75 litre water in there, but I have got the whole, like I say, ration pack with me. Don't have to have the self-heating bit. I can have just the cold stuff. There's some stuff that I can mix in with my water as well. I've got another 2 litres of water with me, so that should be plenty. I'm not sure how much I'm going to film on the way home. I've used one battery getting up here. The way back, I think I'll probably go a more direct but busier way. Yeah. Whoops. Just had a chat with that motorbike bloke who just pulled up before. Very friendly chap. He said he didn't envy my bike back home. Oh. plan is now to get back down to the village. I have to remember as well to link in a picture of the waterfall in the winter, or a video of it, because it's much more impressive when there's a lot more water on it. It's been quite dry. And I didn't want to go up too close to it because my bike is my only way home. It's a hell of a walk otherwise. I mean, I've got the lock and everything, but it's all about the bike ride. And we got here, we saw the waterfall, and now I'm going to go back. Yeah, like I said, I'm not going to take the scenic route back. The way I came was along a load of back roads, which was a lot more hilly, a little bit further actually in mileage, but quieter. But seeing as I'm not going to film the way home really, I will probably go home by the main road, which is a lot less interesting to look at anyway. There'll be traffic, but it should be quicker, fingers crossed. Right, so it's taken me, it's been 3 hours since I set off now. So that's the path that you go up, and then you turn up here, along here, and it takes you over to the top, which is behind this tree, which isn't a very good filming point. This is the place where the bus stopped, if you've ever seen Nativity 2, where David Tennant got off a bus. Or he filmed here anyway. About halfway back to the village now. It's the last hill, and then it's all downhill to home. think you could canoe that. Right, I'm gonna go. This tarmac's hot. So thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I will see you in the next video. Leave me a comment as well, because that'd be great. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Bye!